Vintage Backyard RC.
Why, hello, friends, and welcome to Vintage Backyard RC. Well, it's a beautiful fall day, and we have this wonderful Kyosho Turbo Ultima II. Now, we just did a build video on this car, which you can see on a card that will hopefully pop up here somewhere if I can get it to work this time. But before you do that, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. Also, you can see us over on Instagram to see what we're up to during the week. I really appreciate it if you would do that. Now, this car was a great build. It's a pro-level car, so it should be pretty quick. And that's it, man. We're going to get a look under the hood, get it out on the track, and see how fast she really is. Stand by. Originally released in 1989, and then later this upgraded turbo version in 1993, the Kyosho Ultima II was based off their highly successful Ultima Series platform. The two featured a plastic upper deck and a somewhat flexible lower Kelron plastic chassis. This was quite different than the aluminum ladder frame chassis on the original Ultima. It's no secret that I'm a huge fan of this old Kyosho plastic. It just holds up over the years, and the stuff from the original car was carried over to the 2. You can also see the steel universal drive shafts. These things work great. While the original Ultima 2 featured a gear differential, the turbo version featured a ball differential and full ball bearings throughout the car. These silky smooth Kyosho gold oil-filled shocks are featured on the front of the car and in the rear. 32 pitch gears are featured throughout this sealed gearbox assembly. So we mounted up and painted this awesome Boki racing body, installed our Pro electronics. Here you can also see these amazing neon original wheels on the car. Now we swapped these wheels out for our Pro wheels and tires, just so we have some consistency from run to run, from car to car. And I think either set of wheels and tires look fantastic on this buggy. So that's it, guys. Time to see how fast she is. Whew. I don't know about you guys, but I could tell by the very first lap that this buggy is fast. Now the track's a little gooey out there. This car didn't care. It just trucked right through it. It jumped great, it cornered great, it did everything perfect. So without further ado, the Kyosho Ultima II Turbo Edition did a lap in. Holy smokes, 10.17 seconds? This is almost our fastest car. You can't argue with it, it's just quick. A little surprised myself, but you know what? The lap is the lap. So let's hit the slow motion, let's have a chat down below, and you guys stand by. Well guys, I don't know about you, but I have a new top 5 favorite car. This thing looks fantastic, it handles great, it gave me everything it could. And I'll tell you what, all these pro cars are great. I've yet to have a dud or something that I did not enjoy driving. This car was no exception. Most notably, this car handled great in the air. It was nice and flat. Didn't do anything silly. Honestly, felt a little bit like that 87 JJ. Nice and even. It had a nice down taper on the landing ramps. Corner entry was fairly neutral until we got up on that deck. The car did have a slight hook to it, which of course, as we know, makes it a little bit faster on the carpet. And I hate to say it, I don't know if you guys have noticed, the tires are all plugged up with mud. I really do think track conditions came into play on the car's actual lap time. It's something I really can't help or adjust to unless we run all the cars on the same day, which is pretty impossible. No big deal, it was still fun, and it was still fast. If I have anything bad to say about the buggy, it's that the chassis is fairly flexible. It does aid in traction in my opinion, but makes tuning a bit inconsistent. I'd rather have a stiff car and then tune it out with suspension work. So we got another one in the books, and I'll say it again. It's so nuts that even on different days, these pro car lap times are so close together. I think it's a testament to how well the cars are built, and you know, they're just built to race. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. It helps the channel out. Hit that like button, the notification bell, and be sure to see us over on Instagram. You guys take care, and of course rock on, and I'll talk to you soon down below.